Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Grinsvalley 4-pack 82V 360W projector bulb replacement set. Designed for anyone who wants reliable, bright lighting for their overhead projectors. This pack includes 4 high-performance projector bulbs, each rated at 82 volts and 360 watts, delivering an impressive 11,000 lumens of brightness. That's more than enough to bring clarity and vibrancy back to older projectors or to replace worn-out bulbs in your current setup. These bulbs are built with quartz glass, ensuring durability and reliable light output, while providing a color temperature of 3300 Kelvin, which gives a warm, comfortable light that reduces eye strain during presentations or movie screenings. In terms of design, these bulbs are engineered for versatility. Each bulb has a diameter of approximately 0.45 inches, with an optical center of about 1.26 inches, and a total length of 2.24 inches. This sizing makes them compatible with a wide range of projector models, including both modern and traditional setups. They feature a CC8 filament structure and fit G5.3 lamp heads, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. The Grinsvalley bulbs are not just about brightness, they're also about performance and reliability. With an average lifespan of 75 hours, these bulbs are a practical choice for both home and professional environments. You get 4 bulbs in one pack, so you're prepared for unexpected failures without having to hunt for replacements at the last minute. The package is designed for convenience and versatility. Each bulb is compact yet powerful, weighing just under 2 ounces. And powered via standard corded electric connections, eliminating the need for any additional batteries or adapters. Whether you're using it for educational purposes, business presentations, or entertainment, these bulbs offer enhanced performance and consistent illumination, making them a cost-effective alternative to replacing your entire projector. Overall, the Grinsvalley 82V 360W projector bulbs are a dependable solution for keeping your projector bright, sharp, and ready for any situation. They combine excellent light output, durability, and compatibility, making them a strong choice for anyone looking to maintain or upgrade their projector setup without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the Grinsvalley 4-pack 82V 360W projector bulb replacement set. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews. Thanks for watching.